Shalom, back with part 3, all right? 1 Samuel 2 and 10. So the adversaries of the Lord shall be broken to pieces. You want the hit list, you go to Psalms 83, all right? And it tells you there how they have been confederate against thee, Esau, Edom, and the other nations, okay? And it gives you the hit list, okay? And it starts with the tabernacles of Edom. Okay, and you'll see even Amalek there, which is the head tribe of the Edomites. Okay, that's the German branch, the Teman branch. Anyway, let's continue here. So the adversaries of the Lord shall be broken to pieces. Like I says, go to Psalm 83 for the hit list. Out of heaven shall he thunder upon them. What's the Lord going to thunder upon them? The arrows of the Lord. Okay, the ICBMs. That thermonuclear fire, okay? Give me a minute. This is Nahum 1 and 2. The Most High is jealous. The Lord Yahweh revengeth. You heard that right. The Lord Yahweh revengeth and is furious. And the Lord will take vengeance on his adversaries, and he reserveth wrath for his enemies. Again, Psalms 83 gives you the hit list. The Lord Yahweh is slow to anger and great in power, and will not at all acquit the wicked. I repeat, and will not at all acquit the wicked. See that? There's no free pass. Nobody gets a free pass, okay? You understand, people? All right, give me a minute. 2 Thessalonians 1 and 6, seeing it is a righteous thing with the Most High to recompense tribulation to them that trouble you, and to you who are troubled, rest with us. Okay? When the Lord, right, Yahweh Shai, right, shall be revealed from heaven with his mighty angels. Hello. So you see, he's not coming alone, is he? In flaming fire, right, because they're going to be in the chariots, what they call UFOs, UAPs. In flaming fire, taking vengeance on them that know not the Most High and that obey not the gospel of our Lord Yahweh Shai, the Mashiach. You see that? Who shall be punished, you listening to this? Who shall be punished with everlasting destruction from the presence of the Lord, from the glory of his power. You see that? When he shall come to be glorified in his saints, the elect of Israel, and to be admired in all of them that believe. Believe what? The report, Isaiah 53 and 1. See, our testimony among you was believed in that day. You see that? Let me give you an example, further example. Give me a minute. Isaiah 66 and 15, for behold, the Lord will come with fire. See that? What does it say in Luke? Okay, 12 and 49. I have come to send fire on the earth, and what if it already be kindled? Okay? For behold, the Lord Yahweh will come with fire, right? And remember, he's sending his son, Yahweh Shai, in his stead, okay, with all power and authority, okay? As you read in, what is that, 1 Corinthians, the 15th chapter, and start around the, 22nd, 23rd verse, read on down, all right? So, he will come with fire and with his chariots, you see that? What they call UFOs, UAPs, like a whirlwind, to render his anger with fury and to rebuke with flames of fire. For by fire, right, that thermonuclear fire, and by his sword, the ICBM missiles, will the Lord Yahweh plead, that means to bring judgment to all flesh, and the slain of the Lord shall be many. See that? All right, let's get back. Give me a minute. So there you have it. The adversaries of the Lord shall be broken to pieces. Out of heaven shall he thunder upon them. And the Lord shall judge the ends of the earth, and he shall give strength unto his king. All right, Lord of Lords, King of Kings, Yahweh Shai, along with King David, the 12 apostles, and the 144,000, the elect of Israel, all men, 12,000 from each of the 12 tribes. See? Exalt the horn of his anointed, of his elect. All right? Now, let's get back. Give me a minute. So, when the real people, the real Israelites are back in that land, we're going back in style. We're going back in the chariots, all right? Okay, verse 3 here. And many people shall go and come ye and say, let us go up to the mountain of the Lord Yahweh, to the house of the God of Jacob, and he will teach us his ways. See, those people haven't taught you anything about the Lord, okay? And we will walk in his paths, for out of Zion shall go forth the law, statutes, and commandments, and the word of the Lord from Jerusalem. And he shall judge among the nations. He shall rebuke many people. And they shall beat their swords into plowshares, and their spears into pruning hooks, and nation shall not lift up sword against nation, neither shall they learn war anymore. Do you see that? Did that happen in 1948? So now you know they're not the people. All right? Okay? So we'll end this here, and we'll be right back with part 4 to close out. Shalom.